Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this today's video, I want to give you a quick update about this project. So this is almost ready. Here you can see the landing wires also I have placed. So everything is ready and all the modes are working fine. Only thing is when I'm in hover mode, so it's not lifting in the air because the thrust is not enough, to lift this plane. So because I'm using 3S battery in this, so because of the 3S it won't provide much thrust compared to 4S. So I thought of upgrading that to 4S so that we will have enough thrust, so that will be sufficient to fly this in hover mode because it should take off now. So that's what. So I want to upgrade that to 4S. So if I want to use the 4S on this plane, I need to upgrade the ESCs also because these are 20 amps ESCs. If I am using 4S battery, then it will draw more current. So it required at least 27 amps. So if I use these ESCs on 4S, definitely it will burn the motors or ESCs will spoil. So I want to give an order for ESCs as well as 4S battery. So once I got this, I will show you the flight video in hover mode, from there transition, from there forward flight mode. Okay, I'll show you the modes one more time from a little closer. Okay, so I'm switching on the transmitter. So I'm just putting in throttle hold, means so it will stop the propeller from spinning. So I'm putting in hover mode. Let's connect the battery and see. It's in hover mode. You can see propellers almost down. So I'm also working on these. So I just want more and more angle so that the hover mode will be better, otherwise it will push the plane forward. So I want to upgrade these ailerons also, motor mounts. So I'm thought of upgrading to 3D printed one. So I will show you that in next video. Option like go to left and right using this rudder, and forward and backward using this one. See, if I am doing down, see these two will be rotating. If I am doing up, front one will be rotating. Like that we can keep the plane in hover mode, so we will get a control. Okay, so next let's go to transition flight. So these propellers will come up a little bit, so you can see. So these control surfaces will be moving in this transition mode. The next one and last one will be forward flight. So this will come up. Okay, you can see. So like this it will be. In this mode the front motor will be stopped, so only it will be flying with these two motors and these control surfaces. Okay, so like that from hover we will go to transition, from there we will go to forward flight mode. Okay, so now you can see what I did in my room. Okay, so now you can see I did some taxiing in the room. Okay, using all these modes, just going forward and taking turns and all. You can see that video and enjoy. So once I got the battery and ESCs, I will change that and I'll show you the actual flight video from hover and transition forward flight. Okay, so I can fly in other modes like direct forward flight I can do, but I want to show it from the beginning, from hover, transition to forward flight. That's why I'm just waiting for the ESCs and 4S. Okay, as soon as I get, I will give you update. So now you can enjoy that video which I am doing the taxi. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you.